How to ensure good service.
Naren.
This is Naren, conquering communication with you all. There are many ways to ensure good service, but here is something I use, and this might be relevant in many situations in life. For example, we go somewhere and we're in a negotiation. I need to pay somebody for them to give me a tour, and they say the tour is going to cost $130, and we're negotiating, and I say no, it's $110, and then they say no, it's $120. If you give me $120, I'll go. $120 is the last amount I'll pick. $120 is the secret is I say, okay, I'm willing to pay you $120, but the deal is going to be this way. The deal is going to be I pay you $110 for sure, and if I like your service, I give you 10 plus. I give you what you want if I like your service. So I pay you $120 essentially, but in their mind, what happens is they say, okay, they're giving me $120. What they got to ensure is make sure they give good service in order to secure that $120. And at the same time, they're getting what they want, so it's a fair deal. This is a secret tool that I wanted to give you because I've used this along my life and it's worked really well, and people get what they want, they are happy. At the same time, you ensure that you get good service from them. I thought I'd share this secret tool with you so that you can ensure you get great service on your deals. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video, and keep this to you. Don't share it with everybody. This is only for you.